it's Sean with Divine Dents, and here's what I have for you today.
Appreciate you. We appreciate you. Felix, my man, was thinking. Say hello, Felix, to the folks. Felix was nice enough to give me this. A bit of combination work on this one. Some decent sized dents on here. Pretty light, but the access for this hood might be a bit troublesome, but we'll do what we gotta do to get the thing done. And the combination I mentioned was this one here, so check it out. This one's all done. Travis and Felix, just want to give here's the keys, sir.
Awesome, great job. Thank you so much. We're happy to have you back, looking brand new.
Oh man, we appreciate you. We appreciate you. Felix, my man, was thinking. Say hello, Felix, to the folks. Felix was nice enough to give me this in for doing the car, man. I told him I'm gonna put this up and I'm gonna grind hard every time I look at it. So, man, it was a fun job. I really appreciate these guys and thank you so much.
Great job. Thank you.